we're back with another video. Today we are gonna be I'm actually gonna be showing you my 1/16 scale tractor collection. So let's get started. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell, and you'll probably get a chance to be on my videos. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm just turning my flashlight on because I don't have a real one. There's that one. Oh, I can't see down there. Let's turn on this one. Okay. Think that's good, okay guys? So, let's start it off with our John Deere. That's my John Deere. It's a John Deere, starter, I like to call it. It's cool. Hold on, guys. Oh, that's what it looks like. That's it. And this is the auger wagon. I made it so it looks like it's out in the field, unloading like this. This is the arm. It comes out. Look in the inside. And that's that one. Now we have a John Deere lawnmower that my seat came off. Okay, let's start. And that's it. It's not that cool, but I have a figure on it. It's right here. And it's pretty cool. It's an X728 4x4. And it's pretty cool, I'm not lying. So, let's get started for the next thing. Okay, guys. So, we have a Case IH. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. It doesn't say it because it's old. It's for my grandpa. And this is the cab. That's the inside. You could actually put a figure in there, but I don't want to because they usually get stuck when I put them in there. So, yeah. And then we have a manure spreader right here. This thing spins. Don't put real poop in here. Don't. Okay. Now the hard part to see is the Kenworth log truck. I have to do my thing. Some of these are not 1/16 scale, so yeah. Here's the Kenworth. It's pretty tiny, but it has a lot of detail, as you guys could probably see. The doors open up. I had to wristband those because it broke right there, down there. It comes with stables there. And yeah. So I need to put my tractor back up here. It says little Kenworth sign. And yeah, that's it. That is it for this section. Now let's go to the next one. Wait, let's bring this over here. I'm leaving that light on over here so I could see it. Yeah, we'll hang it on this. Hold on, guys. I'm just okay. I think that's okay, guys. So here we have it. Okay, so I have a John Deere. Shoot, always happens. Wait, can I put my flashlight on? I want to put my. Oh. So we have a John Deere thingy-majigger. So that right there. That. As you can probably see. Wait, is that the baler? Yeah, That's it. And then we have our baler. It's pretty cool. I got it for Christmas. The back opens up. These things go down. I don't know how, but just know that. And here's a combine. It's not, what the heck? And this is a combine that I got for Christmas from Tractor Supply. It's from a set, but I don't like it. But the thing extends. It's pretty cool. The top comes off, but I don't want that to happen. The Mac rear, I need to move my mower guide. I mean my baler. Jeez, I keep saying mower. I have a Chevy Silverado, as you can see, probably. And yeah, that's not it. We also have a Jeep back there and a trailer, but it's too far back there. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe for more and click the bell and like the video. Bye. This is from Logan Searland. Bye. Subscribe.